All people know about you is just they know the cover up. They don't know the real you.
Yeah. And they just nod along. Everyone's always nodding with what. If that's who you want to be, fine. Like, I'm not going to get involved.
Right.
You know, you want to be the rich guy, be the rich guy. You want to be the powerhouse guy, you be the powerhouse guy. We'll play your game if you really want.
Wow.
But really, it's garbage though, because you can sense when someone's really generating from a negative place.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how, it's like spraying perfume on a dirty diaper. It doesn't.
It doesn't stick.
It still stings.
Yeah.
You know? So
you can see when a person is real, raw, authentic, and genuine, and you can feel when he's not really there.
One time at Shabbos Kovetani, we had, I don't know how many people were in the room. I was teaching a class, probably 300, 400 people in the room. And there's mechitza, and women are there, men are there. And I said, who's coming when Mashiach's coming? Who's coming to Eretz Yisrael when Mashiach comes? And who's going to wait and see what happens next? And guess what? I said, when Mashiach comes, all the women raise their hands.
Wow.
And no men. Like 3 men went like,
yeah.
They were embarrassed. And I said, who's going to wait and see? All the men raised their hand.